And I said, you are killing your employees here. So why bother to do it if everyone has parasites and they're everywhere? That's the reason to do it. Some of these parasites can get inside your system. They can go to the bathroom, they can secrete things, and how that can actually affect your mind. You're not going to hear a lot of doctors out there, and you're not going to hear a lot of people out there talking about why you need to do a parasite cleanse. You're not going to hear that. I mean, the medical profession, they don't even allow us to really even say parasites. I had to take the word parasites off everywhere we had. That's why we had to change it to a harmful organism cleanse, because they don't want you to know this information. What you're getting is the information that we found that's been the deepest, darkest secrets of the allopathic community, the medical community, because ultimately it's all about cleansing your body.